Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to do the basic flower design. I have already posted some of the tutorials of the design you see in this clip, so make sure to check that out after you watch this video. But let's get started. As you can see, I've already painted the entire nail with a light blue color. And starting with a circle, which will be the center of the flower. Make sure to draw this circle outline really thinly. And then next I am painting the first flower petal. Looking back to this video, I thought I was going to paint the outlines first for the petal, but it seems like I just wanted to paint in the colors for the first one and then proceeding by painting the outlines for the rest of the petals. I don't know what I was doing here, but hey, anything works. And now I'm filling up the colors for the rest of the petals. And see, it's very easy and simple to paint this kind of flower. And here I am fixing some of the shapes and lines and going on to the second flower. I would say the petals don't have to be even. Like here, some can be smaller, some can be bigger. And personally, I like that better because I think it's really cute to make them uneven. For this design, I personally like to use glitter for the background. In here, I wanted to show the design more clearly, so I used a solid color on a solid color. But definitely glitter is the way to go. Make sure to cure this solid color enough so that it doesn't get wrinkly later on. And here I think I'm ready to apply the top coat. I like using this flower design as a part of my mix and match sets, but you can also paint them on each nail to make it more flowery. Yeah, it's a very versatile design. So make sure to use on your next set. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button because it'll be very helpful. Bye!